David Weekley Homes at the River District. You know, Saussy Burbank is coming in with some new sales. They've already sold at least 3. Saussy Burbank has, and David Weekley is gearing up for their VIP open house 1 week from today. So it starts with a phone call to me, not to the builder, and let me connect you to one of my buyer agents, and we will make an appointment. We'll get you in, and we'll be moving. You could be about 10 days away from purchasing a David Weekley home. This is the latest, freshest information as of today, May 9th. Now, these lots that they have, if you stick around to the end, I'll show you my driving tour where I drove right down this street, took a right, showed you that model home. That is in the excursion collection of homes, whereas these with the blue, the light blue, are the Pioneer series. And there are homes that are available right now. I'm going to give you the pricing here in just a second. And then there are other lots that David Weekley has for you to build from dirt. But if you want to pick one of theirs that they've already picked, this is lot number 7, number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And this is 13, 14, and 15. Now, when I drove you right past this corner lot, 13. You'll see it. Stick around to the end. Then I took a right here on Rooted Street, showed you the model from the larger series of homes. And then these other lots, man, these are excursion lots. The light blue are the Pioneer lots. And so let's go take a look at those. Hopefully you made note, or you may have to come back and rewind the video. But let's go to the next slide. The River District Pioneer, the first release. Now, take note of this. The first 4 sales, remember Saussy Burbank has already sold at least 3, but with David Weekley, the first 4 will receive large incentives when we get you in front of their preferred lender. They have more than one. So this is big, and remember that the pricing will probably go up after the first 4 sales. So let's get in on these first 4. Call me, team you with a buyer agent, and we'll start moving in that direction. So remember, home site 7 I showed you, they've got a Brightman. The elevation is A, just under 672. A Chenault on 8, under 636. A Benwick on lot 9, just under 652. A Chenault on 13, under 652. Warrington on 14, under 636. A Brightman on 15, home site 15, under 644, and a Brightman on lot number 97. See, I can say lot. If you're a new home salesperson, you have to say home site. I love being a buyer agent. Under 612. Now, again, it's starting there, but don't hold us to that because they are still working on design selections. So it's going to be more than 612. And number 98, a Chenault, basing price at, lot premium, etc., just about $590, but they will be adding design selections, so it will be more than $590. It will be more than $612. Now, if you want to build from dirt and make all your own design selections, that's fine. Might take a little bit longer because these other ones have probably already gone out for permits. You can't make any changes. Home site 10, there's a premium of 40 grand on the home site. 11, 35K home site premium. 12, home site premium of 45.2, and the Rainy will not fit on that lot 12. Home site 96, 10 grand, and then 10 grand. Price expected to go up after first 4 sales. Get with me and my team, and we'll get you in front of one of their preferred lenders. So let's just take a quick look at these. This is home site 7, the bright one. What did I say? The Brightman. Here we go. Beautiful elevation. That's already been picked. 3 bedrooms. And this is the way it goes. You come in to the home, and you've got a study right there in front. You come into the kitchen, family and dining. Got a covered porch. You go out to a 2-car garage. There's your stairway up. You've got a retreat at the top, 2 bedrooms, and a primary suite. Bam, bam, bam. Couple 3 windows looking out to the front. That is lot number 7. Lot number 8 is the Chenault. You remember the pricing, or else just click rewind. This particular plan, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. You come in, and let me click down just a hair. You come in, you've got a study there. Then you've got your kitchen, family, and dining configured that way, right out to your 2-car garage. And you know that you come in through an alley. Beautiful. So you're not staring at a front garage. You go upstairs right here. The stairs are this way. And then you've got looks like a little bit larger of a retreat, 2 bedrooms in the rear, primary suite in the front. Again, window, and there's your utility. Ooh, I like that. Nice. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The Benwick on lot number 9. You come in, a little bit bigger porch in the front. You see that? So you can put some chairs out there and wave at your neighbors like I've been teaching you, subscribers. You come into the entry, got a dining room up in front. I like that. Family room, kitchen space. There's a powder room. There's a study in the rear, goes out to a covered porch. And then you've got your upstairs, your stairway there. Retreat. You've got your primary suite in front, 3 windows there, windows in your primary bath. And then you've got bedroom. So this is 4 bedrooms. Maybe that one's for you, all right? I hope you're paying attention to the lot numbers. I'm moving fast. I just got this information, and I'm pushing it out to you. Home site 13, 3 bedrooms. You come in. Nice. You come in. I'm studying it. You come in right here to the entry, study. There you go. Dining, family, kitchen, covered porch. Upstairs, retreat space, 2 bedrooms in the rear, primary suite in the front. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. You may have to go back and check the prices. I could have done more time and prep on this, but I want to get this out this Friday afternoon. I want to get it out. This is the Warrington on home site 14. And this is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Again, you got a porch up in front. Got a dining room up in front with 2 windows there and then 2 there. Those are probably transoms up high. And then you've got a kitchen, family space, 2-car garage, covered patio. It'd be so easy to go out there and eat out on the patio, right? Covered porch, patio. And then you have a retreat space here. All right, so your stairs go up. Bam. Primary suite in front with a little sitting area space. I love that. A couple of chairs looking at your front windows, or a lounge, a settee, a couch, a couple of tables. Nice. Get the kiddos to bed and just enjoy it up there. Beautiful. And then a big walk-in closet. Ooh, nice. I like the elevations. I like the way this is going to feel coming into it. And then this is home site 15. Ooh, I said home site. Did I say home site? Now this porch goes all the way across. Look at that. 4 bedrooms. So you come in, there's your entry. You got a study right there. I love having windows in the front, control your environment. Kitchen, dining, family. Come out to a covered porch. You go upstairs here, and you go up and you have 2 bedrooms here. Your primary suite up in the front with plenty of windows. And then a 4th bedroom right there. Nice. Yes. That's beautiful. Refer back to the beginning of the video for the pricing. I might even do that for you. Nah. Home site 22, the Savannah. So here we go. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. That's a nice touch. You notice how that roof line comes all the way down there. Going to be a lot of water coming out right here. I can tell you that as a former gutterologist. Come in, porch, entry, dining up in front, kitchen, family, covered porch. Upstairs, you got the primary suite with a sitting room. Nice. Couple of bedrooms there. Utility room, big closet. Lovely, guys. Wowie zowie. So, yeah. Going back up. So there it is, guys. Let's do this thing. Pricing in the 600s. Prices will go up. You want to have a buyer agent. They're going to pay our fee. So call me and let's talk about it. Just to refresh you on the home sites. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay to the end. You'll see me coming down this row, and I'll mention lot 13. I'll come around. I'll mention the model home, and then we'll go from there, and then over here are some other lots. This is cool because you got the alley there, but is that correct? Let's see here. Looks like that alley runs through. It looks like some green space there. Love it. 704-345-3400. It's on at the River District.